this, baby. You're so fat.
You don't jump on my couch.
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Just gotta hurry up the button.
Alright, can you say your name? Luna. That was perfect.
Would you like to hear the news of the day? Yes, coming home today.
I never introduced myself to you. My name is Mimi. Yeah. I never told you my name. Nice to meet you.
You don't even love me. You just want my snacks.